Are you able to see my screen clearly? I've changed a lot of screens now.
Yes, sir.
Because of yesterday afternoon, we got big problem with this Microsoft Teams and as well as my machine. Okay. ITL 5 life cycles. Better to check. So what is a service desk? ITIL. In a service desk also, and I given a certain things. What is event? Alert. It is event, alert, important, incident. Because in service desk, guys, always we deal with the first is incident. Any issue is occur, that is incident only. Okay. Any issue is occur, that is first incident only. Okay. One incident is occur, what we will do? Workaround. What we do? Workaround means we'll go and fix it. If multiple incidents or unknown root cause of incident, okay, or repetition of incident is occur, we consider that incident as a problem. So when you done a problem management means you find out root cause of the incident, and if you required any changes, you change to fix the issue, and exactly say you fix the issue permanently, so there less or no incidents will occur. Number of incidents will reduce or no incidents will occur again. So you fix the problem. Okay. So that is about your problem management. Next one is change. Another word is change. Change can be anything. To fix an issue, we can use a change management, like you change the certain component, maybe problem is solved. Change certain wire or certain device, the problem may solve. Okay. Change can be like update, upgrade, replacement kind of stuff. Like your mobile phone is updated, your antivirus is updated, your computer is updated, application is updated, upgraded. Like earlier I have Windows 8, now it is Windows 10. I upgraded. I have a 4 GB RAM, I add 8 GB, now it is 12 GB. So updates, upgrades, replacements comes under changes. It can be change of services also, like I have a 50 Mbps earlier, now I have a 100 Mbps. So change of service. Okay. Can be change of services. Change. Service request. Okay. So here it is. Two very important things are, one is incident, another one is service request. Which one is comes under service request? Which one is comes under incident? We have to understand also. Guys, any problem is occur, that is incident. Any issue is occur, that is incident only. System down, service down, network down, all kind of stuff, incidents only. Even a warnings also comes under incidents only. Okay. Service means access permissions, change of services, change of services, change of access permissions, asking access permissions, asking about a certain information. These are all comes under service request. For example, I want a printer access, service request. I want to change my password. Okay. I want some additional space. Okay. I want a extra space. Okay. I want a configuration. My Outlook is, I don't know how to configure Outlook. I'm asking configure my Outlook. That is also comes under service request. Next one is priorities. Priorities. I will show you that one in a service desk or incident priorities. Priority help desk or service desk. priority levels. It is, there's a 4 priority levels: high, ultra urgent, high, medium, and low, available in all plans. Use them to differentiate incoming requests and to make it easier for you to decide what to focus on the first. So this is easy wording, but here also you can use this kind of stuff. This is, I didn't explain about what is these priority things. Okay, that's why I'm now telling. Okay, so what is the priority? Impact. One more is there, that is a word called impact. So here is a priority: urgent, high, medium, low priorities. Now there is a urgent work, or there is a low priority work. It is urgency, impact. The picture is also there. Guys, I shared already one of the link from the BMC. Okay, okay. This is another link. In this one, like you can go to a lot of notes. You can get it from by selecting ITSM. The blogs, you can go to ITSM, or maybe you can go to search from here also. You will get it. It is urgency, priority, impact. Okay. So what is this impact, guys? So I will tell impact and urgency. What is the point here? Look at here. Very small understanding from what we know. Okay. Here it is. I have a computer. I'll tell questions, then you will understand from it. Okay. What is the question is? Guys, we are connecting with the wires, right? So, right. If one of the wire is broken, how much impact? Okay. Look at here. What is impact like this? A wire is broken, wire is damaged. What is impact? How much? Just guess something. Only one PC
will not work.
affecting, right? Only one PC affecting. Remaining communication is still there. Next step. For example, a switch is down. What is impact?
Entire communication stops.
Entire this part of communication is not working. This is a more impact. So as our list, so I put a understanding level, just a wire. Impact is one device. It's a very less impact, low level. If it is a switch, it's a high level impact, right? So this is the point. Okay, no problem. No problem. So we'll go back once. Okay. So we understand one important thing is, if it is a wire, low impact, and if it is a switch, high impact. Okay. So, but it is wrong, I am trying to say. For example, this is here some modem or like that, it is connecting. Okay, network, internet we are accessing like this. Now again, if this router is down, what is impact? We don't get internet. So more higher priority to the router. Okay. Point is, if one wire is down, less impact. A switch is down, a session of what is impact. A router is down, totally we can't able to access internet kind of stuff. But it is not completely same. Why I'm telling, see look at here, it's a wire. If this wire is broken, communication will stop from there to here. If this wire is broken, this entire communication will be stopped. Like internet router is working, but these are all not getting internet because of wire is broken at this level. Okay. Next, even it is a system wire, you will tell, I will tell, I'm going to tell, this is my server. It's a very important, like it's a active directory server. There its server wire is disconnected, or DHCP server, which gives us an IP address. The wire is broken. We can't get the service. So there is a difference between a device or a wire or anything between and impact analysis. Okay. So there is a difference. It's not like a computer or a device or a server or a wire or a switch or a router. It's not the point. It is the point of impact is how many systems are getting affected, how much the area of, how much the damage, how much problem you are facing. Okay. So that is the impact analysis. It's not about the wire, it's not about a switch, it's not about your router, it's not about your server kind of stuff. It's about the size of impact or the seriousness of impact, importance of that impact. A server is down, very important, like that. So this is the basic practice and determining impact and urgency and priority. So very big level of notes it is given. Okay, you can try. Impact, low impact, high priority is will give you a medium part. Okay, impact low, medium, high. Priority, sorry, urgency, high, medium, low. The priority become medium here. Impact is medium and urgency is high, then priority become high. So you can follow the table if you try. Okay. So you have to prioritize the issue based on the impact and urgency. Based on the impact and urgency, you have to prioritize. So this is the one point. I am sharing this one. So if you have a time, please once check it. If possible, I will put it in my PPT also. It's taking time. Okay. The next one is here in a help desk priorities also is telling urgent view. Here it is in the ticketing. You have to tell priority medium, urgent, high, or low. So whenever you mention in the ticket, so we'll act first about your high priorities, urgents, or a medium, or a low priority. So based on that, so based on the person, based on urgent, first we'll take urgent one, right? You got two works are there. One is a urgent work, another one is not much urgent, like it is a medium. I have to start the class at 10:30. It's an important work, right? Urgent work. But I got some other duty. Immediately I have to go to shop to buy some medicine. It is giving more priority than the regular one, right? So that is the decision. So the service desk person has to decide, and it will helps the people to understand what work they can able to take it first. Okay. Yeah, it's a helpdesk.com. Use helpdesk, work with the tickets, automate your work, manage your work. It is right. Giving this link to you also. So this is BMC guys. The BMC is from in ITSM for so many years. So if you want to know about what is incident reporting, problem management, okay, risk analysis, okay. So these are all we can able to get so much of information from it. Guys, knowledge is very important. Knowing the things is very risk management practice. Critical, major, medium, minor. That's only. Okay. Next one is like a P1, P2, P3 kind of stuff is also there. Sometimes people will put it. So you know the levels means what is P1, what is P2, what is P3, that stuff. When in a in a ticketing system, so you want to mention about priorities, then you have to mention like this. P1 is a priority one, is an incident ticket, it's a critical. Prior to ticket is an incident ticket, it's a high. P3 means moderate, P4 means low. What is SLA? A success rate is no. SSL success rate is given as a percentage something it is given, but as a situation occurs, so we know the priorities. Priorities are urgent, high, medium, low, or a critical, major, medium, minor kind of stuff. Okay? And it is indicated by P1, P2, P3, P4. When you're creating a ticket, so that time either you said the priority, like a high priority, modern priority, or you can indicate with the P1, P2, P3 also. Guys, whenever anyway SLA came into market, like a SLA, OLA, UC. SLA is service level agreement. Okay. OLA, operational level agreement. UC, under pinning contract. Okay. So names are okay, but what it is? Okay, very simple guys. SLA. I have a notes and all is there, but so now it's not a time. SLA, service level agreement. It is in between service provider who providing services, service provider and customer. It is a contract between service provider and the customer. Service provider and the customer. Customer means customer, client, user, whatever it is. Next, operational level agreement. This is operational level agreement within the organization. Within the organization. So, exactly say, I'm a software developer, or maybe I'm a infrastructure management team. My team is infrastructure management, or maybe a software development team. And there is a business unit people will come up. They said, I got a new project. I have to be, it should be completed in this by time. Okay, or maybe, so you will explain the what is the project, new project you got it. So what are the requirements for that project or infrastructure requirements for that project? Do you have that project requirements? How much we are availability of components availability, service availability, okay, infrastructure availability. That's they will ask. Like I will tell these are the guarantee. I will provide this kind of in support, infrastructure support, or maybe so business unit people said like I got a new project to develop. So what are the tools we required? So what are the how much time you be required? When we will finish the first phase? When we will download the version, second version, third version, or maybe next deployment. Okay, so maintenance related. So it is a contract between internal contracts only. Operational level agreement. It is contract between. Sorry, better to type why it is SLA. I already explained my old videos are there. Here it is. Why we should worry about anything. Okay, it is operational level agreement signed between business unit division and internal IT of same organization. Okay, same organization. Even we have a picture for that one, so to make it more easier understanding, I'll put it here. So it is easy. What is SLA? Service level agreement signed between customer or a client and a service provider. What is OLA? Operational level agreement signed between business unit and division and internal of IT, internals of IT same organization. UC underpinning contract. Underpinning contract signed between service provider and a vendor. For example, I'm providing computers and I need a computer components. I'm a service procurement company and I'm building a so there is a company required a computers. So what I will do, I will assemble the computer and sell them. Okay, I'm maintaining their computer infrastructure, networking components. Okay, so that is my service provider, but I have to purchase these components from different companies, maybe MSI, Intel, or maybe from Asus, or maybe Realtek, D-Link, TP-Link. So those are vendors or suppliers, or maybe another, like I am providing a service and have to get things from another company. Let's say like a, that is vendor kind of stuff. Okay. So underpinning contract, it is signed between service provider and a vendor. Okay. So same thing I will explain in a different way, guys. So this is a procurement company. Okay. And this is some other company. Some a software IT related, non-IT related, they required a computers. So what I will do, I'll give them an SLA. So we'll put in names. For example, this is Savantis or organization. Okay, this is Savantis. Savantis required a computers, so it will get it from an organization, and these computers required a service like a hardware service, operating system installation, network installations. These requirements are there. So we'll take it from a company. For example, the company name is Latif Tech. So I am providing a service like managing their computers, managing their networking components, managing their network infrastructure. Okay, any system is down, I will going to repair that one. So I'm giving an agreement to this Savantis company. So that is called a SLA. I said when any system is not working, please call me. We will come and fix it. Okay. If you are component failure, we'll charge for the component and we'll repair it. And we'll give you some guarantee on it. Okay. Or maybe you need a change operating system. So we don't do the operating system change. We do printer repairing. We do printer repairing. But we don't give you free papers or things. Okay, like that. So we'll give certain service level agreement. So these are the things you are getting service from our company to you. So this is the client, and here it is service provider. Okay, guys, this is SLA. Next, in between these two things, SLA is there. Now new project is came from client. So my BU unit, my business unit, okay, got this project, delivering 100 computers, maybe build a one data center for that, or managing network installation or a network router switches. It depends upon it. So it will tell the team, okay, so this is the your team has to do this work, and we are agree to complete this work by this time with this details. Okay, so we have a team, so we are agree to do this. So this is the contract between your business unit and IT employee, OLA, operation level. Next, I need a supply, right? I need a internet. I need a internet. Okay. I need a spare parts computers, right? Like a Corsair or maybe Dell or a Lenovo or maybe a D-Link, TP-Link, okay, Cisco. I need a supply of components so then I can able to build the infrastructure and send. So we'll go into sender. So the person is a vendor. Okay, is a supplier. Then I do underpinning contract. So this is SLA, OLA, UC. Guys, understand anything? At least 2 points. What is SLA? At least understand. What is SLA? At least understand. What is UC? At least understand. What is UC? At least understand. What is SLA? At least understand. What is UC? 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 At least understand. What is UC
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All are available, guys. Only thing is what it is, you have to understand. All are available, but only thing is what is it? Then you have to search. You should know what to search also. Different level of SLAs are there. Customer level SLA, internal and multi-level service level agreement. That much deep, I'm not put. So what is P1 incident? What is P2 incident? So it depends upon impact and also you have to do. Yeah, I said I will tell about SOP. Okay. So already I told one important thing, that is my site. So go to Latif Tech Notes. This is a Google site, guys, sites.google.com. Any person want to create a site like a blog kind of stuff. It is a kind of blog only, but it's not blogspot.com. Blogspot is different from site creation. Okay, the both are look little different, but same only. So there's a really said there is no difference, but looks different. It's a blogger.com. So you will find a blogspot.com. So you can create a number of blogs here. You can post, you can get a comments, pages. You can able to create different blogs. You can create. I think I lost a lot of blogs. You can create a number of posts. You can create it. So different. This is another one. Okay, so starting one is created. This one actually. Just I want to post what are the job openings from different resources. I want to keep it in one place. And you know how many views? Very less views. Oh, there is a views also there. 16 views are there. Okay. So this is a HTTPS site it is showing, but personally, if you are accessing this, it is a HTTP site only. Okay, guys, this is the blog, whatever it is. This is called a blog. Okay. So you can post, you can create number of blogspots.com kind of stuff. You can create. But this is the site. Site shows like this. The main site. Already I shared these links. Okay, you can try yours. So this is a service desk. In that one, there is a service desk based questions are there. But you have to prepare first technical questions, then service desk questions. Or at least today go with the service desk questions, tomorrow onwards, technical questions. Service desk levels are there, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 kind of stuff. And there is some troubleshooting related, and last one is SOP. What is an SOP? Standard operating procedure. What is an SOP?
Standard operating procedures.
Very good. So any organization follow a SOPs. Say they follow a SOP. It is nothing but a step-by-step procedure. What is standard operating procedure means? It's step-by-step instructions to do certain thing. Like you want to install a application, and I written first you have to check your system configuration, and next download the application, and double click on the application. Okay, or install the pre-request. Okay, check the pre-request of the application. Now install the application and check marks. Like one by one instruction I have given. After installation, how to check it whether it is working or not. Confirm the application is working fine. Okay. So remove any temporary things are there too. Like that. So here it is. That step by step I'm telling, right? So same thing, like you troubleshooting some problem. Okay, there is certain issue is there. So how to troubleshoot it? How to follow the how to understand the thing? How to follow the one by one, step by step to solve the problem? Okay, so that is called a SOP. So SOP is the standard operating procedure. It means it's a step by step instructions to do certain task. First of all, second one is it is also called as a troubleshooting method. Means when you are facing an issue, when you are getting a problem, then follow the step by step process to resolve the issues. To compile by organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations like installations or verifications and all. What is the advantage of this SOP use? Why can't you go and fix it? Why can't you go and do it? Why we need this step-by-step process? So it improves your efficiency, achieves efficiency, quality output, uniform, uniformity of performance, while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with industry regulations. With the industry regulations. So there is a main benefits of following SOP. So no confusion while you do certain work. No confusion while you do certain work, right? So like for example, you want to build one building. The first one is you have to acquire the land. You have to pay for the land. You have to register the land. Then you have to take a permission to build the building. So how to take it? We need a plan. Planning is important. So you have to register the plan. And you start building it. You start building it. You start building. So then the bottom level of like and stuff. So you have to do the ground one, then pillars, how many floors, right? So once a building completed, then all the work, electrical, water, kind of work is working. Okay, so we will do it like so one by one, right? So why we should follow that procedure? First, we build a building, then we'll go to blueprint, then we'll go to registration, then we'll acquire the land. What happen? It will become more complex, confusion, misfiring, failures will occur. Okay, so this is what I am trying to say is follow the process. So there is a two things. One is it is set of step-by-step instruction to compile by organization to help workers carry out complex routine operation. Okay, check this one kind of stuff only. Next one is what is the aim to can achieve efficiency, quality output. Okay, you can achieve quality output, efficiency, uniformity of performance while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with the industry regulations. There is a steps, the troubleshooting method. SOP or troubleshooting method almost like a thing. But SOP means more about work also, not only troubleshooting, also it is about a do certain things. For example, I want a internet connection. What I have to do it? So I have to check, verify who is the nearest nearby, what is the most internet thing is there, right? What are the internet connections are there near to my home, right? Near to me. So what are the internet connections? Then which one is I want to go, then I will call to that person. You tell me. Karthik came. Okay. I will stop at this. Asia is not came. Saman Asia. There is a message. Okay. Okay, guys. So what is an SOP? Very simple, trying to understand. I want to take internet from Airtel or Zio or someone, right? So what I am trying to say, I call to that person. So the guy will come and check the location. So what is the flexibility or feasibility of connecting the wire? Okay. So then, and he will tell the plan. So what is the 3 months plan, 6 months plan, 1 month plan, and depends upon the speed of internet. What is the plan and unlimited plans. Now everything is unlimited, compulsory unlimited, no data limit. Okay, no data capping is also removed. The compulsory put a high level internet speed and as well as a unlimited only. No data capping also. That is the telecommunication rule nowadays. So then they will tell how much for 1 month, how much for 3 months, what are 6 months, what are the other offers are there. He will explain it. So then we'll ask, right? We'll pay amount and we'll give you documents, right? So we'll give the resident documents, identity documents, or pay the amount, right? So then they will follow the application part. So they will follow this application, and once it is approved by organization, they start giving connections. You know, when we taken a connection from Airtel in our office that time, one guy came and put the cable. Okay, another guy came connect the telephone. Another guy came and put the router. Another guy came and configure the router. He didn't check it. So checking person is different. He said like, now we are not getting in. So it's not our duty to check whether you are getting internet or not. It's for installation only. Because there are having more staff, more people, more stealing. Okay. So that is people. So that kind of people are there, of course. Now, what I'm trying to say is, next one is installation of route cable. First installation of cable. First put the cable. Put the router. Okay, connect it. Configure the router with your ID, password, and other things. Once internet is working up to the router, they will tell like check your Wi-Fi, like your mobile phone, through mobile phone, connect with your mobile phone, connect with your laptop, check you are you getting internet, check your speed is there or not. Go to speed.net, something kind of speed net speed in Wakla or Google speed test. Go to speedtest.org, right? So go to that speed test and confirm, then close a ticket, service ticket. That's completed. Installation is successful. So that is the procedure, right? So why we need a procedure? To avoid the confusion, miscommunications, failures, and get a better efficient work, quality output, and unique. Same thing goes for a troubleshooting methods. What are the troubleshooting methods? Here we follow. Identify the problem. Identify the First one is know what is the issue. Okay. Without knowing the problem, you cannot troubleshoot, right? One day me and my one of my friend went to the shop and brought one new mobile phone. Means we brought a phone and give it to the person and say, so repair it. The guy with me, he said, repair it. Then the guy is asking like, so what is happened to this mobile? And my friend said like, I don't know. You find it and repair it, and you will be give this one how much cost. Okay, so that's not a good thing, right? So first of all, we should know what is the problem. Identify the problem. Establish probable cause. Establish probable cause. Why it is occur? What is the problem? And where is the problem? Why it is occur? Okay. What is the cause of this problem? What is the cause of problem? It is a water inside, or maybe it's like a something one certain component failure, or maybe a battery failure, like that. Find out the probable cause. Test your theory. So what do you think about where is the problem? So test in that location. This is the problem. For example, you maybe guys like a C language, right? When you write a C language big code, you get a lot of bugs. So what where we'll think based on the compile kind of stuff, we'll go to that particular line. So we'll try to say like this is the location. There is some coding related issues, or maybe in a hardware, your mobile phone. This is the connection related issues. You have to change the cable, or maybe you have to change the component. Okay, maybe this is a app related problem. So we test. We will establish a probable cause, and we'll try to check based on what you think why this problem is occur. That is called a test your theory. Then establish plan and implement. So no need to wait. So then try to resolve the issue. Okay. Establish plan and implement solution. Okay. Verify, fix, and do preventive action. So make sure it is working after you pair. First of all, verify the fix. Check it, issue is resolved or not. Then do the preventive measures. Preventative measures, correct. Do the preventative measures. It should not occur again. It should not occur again. So that is also important, right? It should not occur again. Documents finding. Document what are the things you have done, what you find, what is an issue. First of all, what is an issue? What is the cause of the issue? What is the cause of the issue? What you have done to fix the problem? Is it fixed or not? And what are the things you take and prevent as a preventive measures, and document all the things. Document all these things, kind of stuff. So this is called a troubleshooting method. Guys, sometimes we may not say about what is this, what it is, kind of stuff. So you understand SOP, and you can say just what is SOP. You can tell in SOP in the troubleshooting. So you can tell the 6 points in the SOP method. As SOP troubleshooting method, you can tell as a these 6 points. Sometimes the points are a little bigger. Sometimes you may not remember to speak about it. you can short it. Of course, first one is very easy. So any issues occur, what is the issue? You should know what is the issue. So identify the problem and guess, try to guess or what kind of issue it is. What is the why this issue is occur? What is the cause of issue? At least cause of issue. Identify the problem, cause of issue, test the theory, and try to solve the problem. Okay, and make sure it is working. And do some preventive measures so then the issues one cannot be occur again. And document everything, whatever the from starting to last. Like what is an issue, what is the cause of the issue, what kind of solution you are making, what are the preventive measures you have taken, and the issue is resolved or not. It's okay, issue is resolved. Okay, and that entire things you have to put it in a document. Okay, guys. So what are the things we discuss in this particular part? I told about some interview questions, but that's just different. So I told about importance of service desk. So I didn't give any theoretical points. Already we discussed about a service desk. Okay, and service desk priorities. That is service desk priorities and impact, understanding of impact and service desk priority, and then P1, P2, P3 kind of stuff, and what is SLA, OLA, UC, and what is SOP. Okay. Any doubts or anything? Any questions? Any speaking anything?